How to fix Blink Sync module flashing blue light 2025. A blinking blue light on your Blink Sync module can be confusing. Is it broken? Not necessarily. Most people panic here, but here's what that light actually means and how to fix it. A flashing blue light means the sync module is trying to connect to Wi-Fi. If it stays flashing, the connection isn't completing. First, check your Wi-Fi network. Blink requires a 2.4 GHz connection. If your router combines 2.4 and 5 GHz, the sync module may struggle. Move the sync module closer to your router. Distance and walls matter more than people realize. Next, open the Blink app and start the setup process again. When prompted, select the correct Wi-Fi network and carefully enter the password. Here's the surprising truth. Many failures are caused by special characters in Wi-Fi passwords. If possible, try a simpler password temporarily. If the blue light keeps flashing, reset the sync module. Use a paperclip to hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the light changes. Restart your router, then try setup again. You won't believe how often this step fixes everything. Once connected, the blue light will turn solid briefly, then go off. In 2025, Blink systems are reliable, but Wi-Fi setup is still the most common issue. Follow these steps and your cameras should be back online quickly. Subscribe for more smart home fixes explained clearly.